here at the Smart booth. Wanted to give you a sneak peek of one of the most important things that we're going to be talking about this week here at Bett, and that's around sustainability and longevity of your education technology. At Smart, we are very committed to making sure that your technology investments are sustainable all the way from how they're manufactured to the amount of time that they spend in your classroom. Come and ask us about how the MX V4 is manufactured with 100% renewable energy. Check out the differences in our packaging versus some of the other guys' packaging. Actually, just on the wall here, you can see the difference in size between our packaging versus some of the other packaging on the market. Ours is slimmer, meaning that it's more efficient to ship, and it's all created with completely recyclable materials. No yucky styrofoam or anything like that. You can also see the living wall behind me, which is a great conversation starter. We're hoping that you'll come and ask us what it's all about, so we can let you know that for every entrance we have into a contest to win a Smartboard MX series, we will be planting a tree for you. So those are just some of the ways that we're talking about sustainability here at Bett this week. Stop by the Smart stand at SL21. We can't wait to see you.